And so in a weird way, I think that's why I talk about this disease in always a very hopeful way. Nobody talks about this disease because it's ugly, that doesn't go viral. But as soon as somebody does something random and fun, it goes viral. And so that's why the Ice Bucket Challenge was successful. I thought, it's because it was fun. And so a lot of my motivation in making that video is out of frustrations. And I challenged Ellen DeGeneres because Ellen brought so much hope to my mom and laughter and fun. She watches her show every day. And so my mom got to go to her show. Ellen gave her a hug. My mom waved to her with her foot. And my mom, I think Ellen loves my mom more than she loves me. My mom's a beautiful soul. You're gonna have to meet her one of these days. But so yeah, that was that whole thing. It just blew up, and that was incredible to see, and it brought a lot of needed attention and awareness to this horrible disease. So the biggest thing the ALS Ice Bucket Challenge brought was hope and awareness and advocacy and a voice. I know it was one summer of fun, but this disease is every day for us.